send this 3D model into a CAD format. So to start with this, we can simply go to File and then click on Export and then select CAD formats and then go to DWG. Once selected, now you can see, in case if you have selected anything like in sheets or sheet in the model, then simply if you just like to select the 3D view, you can go to current view and / sheets only. So select, and then you can see right now the selected item is 3D view. So click next, and then now I can give a specific name. So let me go and make it manual, and let's make it 3D, and the file type we will make it 2007, and then click OK. So now let's go back and see. So here in our CAD file, you can see we have 3d.dwg. Let's go and open it through AutoCAD. So let's select 3d.dwg and then click open. And here you can see our Revit file has been converted to the CAD format. So here you will see some of the materials will get removed. So you have to again apply in the AutoCAD. So you can see there is no transparency for the glasses here, but all of the model element will be always visible to you in the CAD file. So this is how you can convert your Revit model to CAD format. Thank you.